Let me see if I can get in here. I can. Oh, okay. Even though I'm walking a little, but sometimes I need this. You can see I roll up my pants because my wound in the back. I just dressed the wound and I can walk now, but sometimes I need the support on the pushes. But they are leaning over. But look at the bloom on this. Lemon color see them. Whatever in here. I think I think the coal have got into this. I have grown pepper in my front yard garden, and why not? It's a young, but they take it. They get the pineapple stage for Turkey Day, right? Yeah. They put that there. Okay. Now they're going in the back to see. I've not been here for a while, so I know idea how the play going to look. So they're going there, guys. Now we'll take all this out and wash. All the pillow have been knocked down about wing. This two need to go in the house to be washed. Okay. Yeah. Just put it here. Right there. And this is good to be washed. I am working, but not to push too much. Can I? It don't move me. That's a. It fell. It done. But look at the new one. There. Now, clip this casa door wood. I love the plant because in spring getting this nice white flower on the plant. A nice sharp tool. There, got that. Oh, the space that open up. So, I think the area my son myself did looking good, right? But I can't wait until winter. After winter, we'll know whether or not we did a good job, okay? So I can't say too much because after winter with all the snow, the ice, all that, it was still looking good. That means we did a good job. You call somebody to do that kind of work for you because you're not cheap. Okay. And this one, if I need to sit down, I can use this to sit down. Now, on the tree, you see that? Then pull this down. Oh, there you go. One. Come on. Right there. See? Peppers in here. Hello. peanuts, peppers. That's it, all the peppers. And also the small eggplant. Perennial mums. They look so lucky because they need to be pruned. Yeah, to come back in spring and fall. Now, but look at my new Guinea impatient and Pogonia there. And I think I need to level the area. Also in the container here, it's a new Guinea impatient. Nice, they make a nice house plant. They can go in the house already in the container, or I need to take it in the house. Right here, I love this space. The courtyard garden, everything has been knocked down by the wind. Now that comes through here and see what damage you have here. Yeah. Ooh. Look at it. You can see my fountain still running. Okay. I have this basket here because I'm going to use this basket to put the bread of paradise in here, because this when I take the coal, it will die on me. You can see all this pillows need to be taken away to be washed. Okay, I come and do that soon. They move this here for now. They put it here. And then, I can't even get it out. It's growing from the container. See all the roots there. See that, guys? So what we're gonna do, this will go in the basket. Yeah, see that? And this one too will go in the house. You'd be surprised if you have a place that's how everything I bringing in the house. Make sure you have room for them, and you'd be surprised, guys, how nice you can make your house look not cluttered but nice and peaceful. If you ever go to mall, you see the tropical plants they always have around, right? So in here too, yeah, I think I got this. Yeah, taking roots. That's why I had to get out. It took roots. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, it did. See, I just left everything in the container because I knew I'll come back and take them out. See? And here. And one more here. Put that soil back in there. So in the summer, you can always bring them back again. Okay, yeah, right there. This will fine with the winter. They'll come back again. This will come back. Right there. See? Yeah, that's it. New Guinea impatient will come too. Indoor farm. Oh, I will come and pick my tomato. Look at that, guys. So here, let me see if this can fit in here. Yeah, it will fit right there. That's good. That's good. So I have my indoor soil there. So I'm putting this in here. My trash bag container high hose. So now put this in here. Okay. And try to discard this. as much as you can. Then move this over. In here, I have water in here. I also have added some fertilizer in here as well. You guys saw me doing that in the last video. Okay, mix everything. Let this soak in the water. Good. Let's do. If it works, guys, I'll be so happy. So, make sure this one too. Get water in there. Just dunk them in. You see the water bubbles. Put some in here. It's not too much. Nice and clean. Okay. They also bring down the umbrella. Summer is over, guys. Oh. Summer is over, guys. It's over. Now, let's hold this down to here. I am walking, guys. I am walking. This one, I hope I can get this. There you go. Oh, look at. Took a look at this, guys. Ooh. Now, ooh, nice. Look how tall. Now, ooh, all this will be washed. The covers. Let's put it here. Okay. Now let's go back and do our vegetable again, and now let's go back here. So while we're here. They'll continue. I just wash my hand clean. They'll go ahead and take our tomato. It's a lot here. Look at this, guys. They took it and bring it in the house because it was wrapping inside. Look at that. I think it was a large one. That's something. Just small ones. Oh, let's take this. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, that fresh smell of tomato. See some up there. Let's bring it down. lemongrass. It's good. I can dry this to use as tea or cook with. Okay, to shake all this. Now, the beef fry. Now put it here. Wait here. Oh, that's some eggplant. Get that? Because what I've been cooking with the eggplant from here, right? And one bell pepper. One. They put that there. They take our harvest. They put our harvest here. Bring that close. That's good, large one. Large. And good. Go in there and pour it right in there. Water and all. Okay? Right there. Good. Looking good. Now, take the small ones. Just put them around. Don't forget this is indoor potting soil. Now, that part. So, I was gonna do something greater. You got don't laugh. Remember that come with me first. Remember what I did the Chinese lampion thing, right? I took the lemon coricidum. I put some in here, right? They take some. They're easy to grow. Remember? I want the seed they going to grow in the house. See? They put some around in the soil. Bottom here. That part will go in the soil. This way. Put that around. Look at the new unit inflation. Looking good. The garden said looking good. You see that lemon coricidum? Just put small around here. You see how much it growing? And this will mine comes back. Sometimes they will, sometimes they will not. We'll see what's going to happen. So that this all done now. Also remember the Xavier who planted in here, right? Here. And clean this one too. This will go in the house as well. It's already planted. to go in the house. Just put them all together here. This one and this one too. There. I forgot the begonia. I planted in the pot too. This looking so good, guys. So I have a star line area ceiling so high. I mean, you can see the height of my house up there. That's how far the sky line. I have more than enough room for the plants. Also, you can do, if I have a moss, you can put around that thing. When you go to the mall, you find a nice tropical plants in containers. They put moss around. You can do that too. So this will go in the house along with this and with this. Well done, guys. So we did enough today. Next time I come back, we'll take care of the fountain. This will be spring and cover for winter. Not today. So also we had to do something else in the back. Bring our fire pit in the back as well. For today, well done. I'm so happy. And all this had to be washed. All the petals. I will come one day and take them out and wash them and cover the fountain. But so happy the ever said looking good. And I love the plants so much. And with that, guys, we're all done. Thank you so much again. I'll see you next time in the garden. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Oh, I forgot. Harvest. Is a harvest for today. Looking good. Okay. Now. Bye, guys. Bye. Thank you again. I'm not sure if I can get up there, guys. Let's see.